Okay, so this is a 5-foot window, 5 foot tall, also 5 foot wide. Half the window is going to operate and give you half the window of opening. This is a security latch, and this is just a quick latching system that's obviously movable. Up is locked, down is unlocked. Squeeze the little handle, the window opens, and half your space is now screened open air. So you open both sides, you get a nice airflow. You have a ceiling fan in the ceiling, and it really moves the air along quite a bit. You can also remove the screen, lifting up on these tabs. There's a spring up top. Push it out, bring the screen in, and then it's fully clear. Or if you want to clean the screen or whatnot, then pop it back in, and go ahead and close the window and lock it again. If you wanted to clean the windows, you could also take this window out by lifting it up, pulling the bottom in first, and then down, and then allow